So n8n is a very powerful and very flexible automation tool that you can use to automate different things. It offers an open source version that you can self-host to any cloud provider. All right. For this case, I'll be showing you how to spin up this n8n in your local machine. I have created this Docker Compose file for orchestration, and first thing first, I need to download n8n image, and then I need to set up the backend. For this, I'm using Postgre service from n8n. It offers a free tier. I have stored all those credentials in this .env file. And now after running this command, this will run n8n inside the Docker on my personal machine, all right, which I have already done it. Docker images, it's already running right here, and you can see it's right here. All right, I can also access n8n via localhost by just typing localhost 5678, and this will give us the interface. As you can see, I have an n8n running locally on my machine on a local host right here. I can see some templates. So here we have a template. We can start building our automation. And now that it's working perfectly fine, I can deploy this wherever I want, like on a cloud platform or on premise. That's it.